you so much for stopping by my place today for some cleaning motivation. Today I will be cleaning my kitchen and my living room. I'm just going to be doing a little simple tidying up the house. I'm going to start right here with the dishes, and I'm just going to simply work my way to the living room. It is early morning. I have a lot of things to do today, so I want to go ahead and get this started. So guys, I hope this video gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below of what you thought of today's video. And come on guys, let's get busy. ahead and give the kitchen a good mop down. We'll be using my spin mop bucket here. I have absolutely enjoyed this mop here. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I used to use the old school mop, the one that I had to actually wring out by hand. That mop used to shed a lot, and I used to have to wait until the floor dries so I can sweep up all that stuff that shedded off of it or vacuum it up. But with this one, it's absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and take this trash out. I made it to the living room. I'm going to go ahead and straighten everything up in this part. And the living room is not that bad today, thank God. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together real quick and move on.